Hi guys, Joe Burnich here with Big West Marketing. We empower small business to succeed online, and we do it by simplifying all this internet marketing stuff. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to know how to get Google reviews for rug cleaners. So if you have a high-end Oriental rug cleaning shop, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 3 easy, simple methods for getting online reviews, and this is very important because right now hardly anybody else in this industry has a solid system for getting online reviews. This will set you way above the competition. Let's get started right now. Okay, so if you take action and do exactly what I'm about to tell you, then you will make more money, because reviews are the new word of mouth advertising. Referrals, a lot of referrals these days are made online. People want to read reviews. I mean, have you read reviews for Amazon or Yelp before making a purchase? Most of us have, but the bottom line is your clients are reading reviews before they call you. I promise you, people are reading reviews about your business before they call you. This stuff is huge. This is essential. Now, the stuff I'm about to show you is not techie stuff. You don't need to be an internet marketer. You don't need to be a computer person or internet person. You need to be a competent business owner that's ready to take action. But if you do get stuck, you can just write down your questions, okay? And we'll do a free 30-minute consultation. So below this video, there is actually a link to set up a free 30-minute consultation with our company. This is not a sales call, although at the end of it, if we feel like we're a good fit, we'll make you an offer. But this is a true consultation to help you get unstuck and figure out where you're stuck in your marketing and or your review system. We are here to help you out. Take advantage of this, guys. It's a $97 value. The first 30 minutes are free. Okay? If you take advantage of this, it will speed you to success. I promise you. All right? So let me grab my PowerPoint presentation here. Okay, so I'm calling this the 5-star knockout method, and the reason I'm calling it that is because we're going to knock out the competition. That's what this is all about, okay? And what it really means is, yes, you're going to make more money, you're going to gain trust with your clients, you're going to have a better business, better life for you and your family. Yes, all that's true, but there's some other things that reviews can help you out with. Number 1, higher Google rankings. It actually helps with SEO, with search engine optimization, if you have, a lot of positive reviews on your Google page, okay? It also helps with Google AdWords, and it can put turbo boosters on your Google AdWords ads, your pay-per-click stuff. If you're doing that, you can actually display your positive reviews right here in the ad. It makes your ad bigger, makes more people click on it. It's trust. It also lowers your cost per click with Google. That's huge, okay? Another thing most guys don't understand is the new Google local service ads. When you apply for this, you have to fill out an application and apply for these types of ads, and Google employees will review it. Okay? And one of the big factors they look at is number of online reviews, the quality of your online reviews, okay, and whether or not they're real or fake. Okay, so we want to get a lot of good, positive, real reviews if we want to participate in the Google local service ads. That's huge. The good news is 95% of local businesses out there have no review system in place. For now, this is changing. More and more guys are getting into this, and they're realizing they need a solid system, a solid program in place. But you need to get ahead of the competition because you do not want to get left behind on this, guys. And this video I'm showing you right now, real quick, is part of a complete solution for rug cleaners, specifically for rug cleaners. I've got 5 videos for rug cleaners, how to do Google SEO for rug cleaners, how to do Google AdWords for rug cleaners, how to do good mobile websites, how to do marketing. I'm going to show you how do you get access to all of these videos at the end, so stay tuned. But we're talking about the 3 simple ways to get reviews. I got 3 methods for you, very simple to implement. Number 1 is feedback cards. Number 2 is a powerful email template that I'm going to give you, and number 3 is a text message template that I'm going to give you. So simple method number 1, feedback cards. All these are little business cards that say thank you on one side, and then on the other side give people a step-by-step instructions on how to leave a review for you. Basically, going to say, thank you for your choosing us for your rug cleaning needs. Would you mind giving us a review on Google? Step 1, go to our website, whatever that is. Step 2, click on the leave a Google review button. You need to have a button on your website. Have your web designer put this on there, or put it on there yourself if you know how. But you need to have a button that links directly over to your Google page. And I'm going to show you how to get the Google page here shortly. But the key is to tell them what to do. Don't expect them to do it. Don't just give them a card that says, please leave me a review, and then expect them to figure it out. We all know how hard it is to get these reviews, guys. And the big mistake most people make is they just expect people to figure it out on their own. 1 out of 10 people that say they're going to leave a review actually do. Okay, so if you have this card, it's going to make it 10 times easier for them and increase the chances greatly that they actually will. And to get these cards made, just go to vistaprintdeals.com. They got a little designer program, and you can design it yourself or hire somebody to do it for you. But you need to get these little feedback cards made as soon as possible. Simple method number 2 is the power template. I'm going to show you how to use email. What I want you to do is pause this video, get a pen and paper, and I want you to write down word for word. I got this from a website one time back when I had my cleaning service business that I sold back in 2014 up here in Missoula, Montana. But what I did is I found this template and I started sending this to all my happy clients right after the job was done. I didn't wait a week, didn't wait 2 weeks. Nope. I did it right when I knew they were happy. And so they'd get a feedback card, and then they'd get an email from me later on. The key to success with this one is to get a routine. You need to have a checklist of when you finish every job. You give them the invoice. You have your system that you have every time you finish a job, and part of your system is sending them this email. Okay, it's part of your checklist. All right. Now, simple method number 3. This is my favorite. And this one actually is the most powerful. I love this picture. I found this guy. He's just so excited about his his texting program he's got. But we're basically gonna do similar to the email, but it's gonna be within text. Okay. So I want you to pause this, write this down, and basically you're gonna say, it was great working for you today. Would you take a moment to leave a review on my Google page? Here's the link. And the key here is to give them the link to your Google page. Now, I promised you I'm going to show you step by step how to get this Google link, because it's not that easy unless you know the secret, which I'm going to tell you right now. Step 1, get on your phone and type in your business name on Google. Okay, find your Google page. Okay, and then you're going to click on this little reviews tab right here. You're going to scroll down where it says rate and review on Google, and you click star number 5. When you click on star number 5, it'll take you to this page. You got to see this page before you do anything else, okay? But once you do, tap the little address at the top here and click copy, okay? And then we're going to open up your email program on your phone, and you're going to send an email to yourself, and then you're going to tap in the body of the email, and you're going to click paste, okay? And it's this big, giant, obnoxious URL or website address that Google gives you, but that's what needs to go here, and it needs to go here in the email as well. But that's how you get the Google link, guys. Most people don't know how to do that, and it'll take them directly to where they can leave a review. Like I'm saying, it'll streamline and make this stuff super simple. Now, real quick, this is not a sales video, but I want to give you a link here, easy5star.com. Down below, I'll put this link as well. If you want to join our program, you can purchase a program that we have called easy5star.com. It'll simplify all the stuff I'm talking about right now. It'll streamline it for you if you don't want to do it manually, okay? And another thing is, like I promised you, I'm going to show you how to get access to all 5 of the videos specifically for rug cleaners, for all this marketing goodness, okay? I put a link down below as well, so you can go to the page where all 5 videos are located, watch them all, and watch your business blow up, all right? Go ahead and do that now. Now, if you're a client of Big West Marketing, all of this is taken care of for you. We like to make this as simple as possible for our clients so you can focus on what you do best. Now, if you are not a client of Big West Marketing, right now we are offering a free consultation up to 30 minutes. That's normally a $97 value, so take advantage of this right now. Just call or click on the link to schedule a day and time that works best for you. So, if you're tired of being confused and overwhelmed, then contact us today. Someone from our office will show you step by step what you need to do to be successful online. If you are ready for a real solution, contact us today.